Yo. Okay. So I accidentally I accidentally bought these, but even though I'm not the biggest fan of these, I do think that they are interesting. Different for sure, but they are interesting. Let's check this out together. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy. It is your kid, Nephra. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you're having a very, very blessed day. Now, in today's video, as you can tell from the intro, as you can tell from the title, I am bringing you guys yet another sneaker review. And the sneaker that we're going to be taking a look at today, the brand actually we're taking a look at, is from Adidas, as you can tell from a shirt. And funny story before we actually even go into these were an accidental buy. I'll say it again, an accidental buy, meaning that I accidentally got these because I actually hit them on a site called SNS, which stands for sneakers and stuff, and they have a whole bunch of sneaker releases that you can go and enter for, and if you hit on them, then they send it to your house, and you know how it is. So I entered thinking that these were a different shoe, and I got the order confirmation and everything, and I was like, oh yeah, you know what, I hit on what I thought I was gonna hit on. It turned out to be these. So without further ado, we're going to be taking a look at the Adidas NMD in the S1 black and altered blue colorway. And based off the pictures that I've seen on these, they're not too bad. They're not a sneaker that I personally would like actually own or rock. I may give these up, to be honest, but I like bringing these reviews for you guys because, you know, you guys also like sneakers as well, and reviews are a good way to actually get, you know, different perspective on what you like versus what you don't like. So without further ado, let's dive into these NMD S1s. Let's go. First and foremost, before we even dive into this review, I always like to let you guys know, thank you guys so much for the love and the support that you've been showing this channel. Like seriously, I mean, we're getting ready to end off 2022, and I just can't be thankful enough for all that you guys do for me. I think we're about to hit 2,500 subscribers, and you know, the progress is just amazing. Seriously, that you guys are just showing me. So I'm very, very thankful for you guys. I mean, the comments you leave, to showing support on Instagram, to all my other medias, it really just means a lot for me. So if this is your first time checking out any of my videos, definitely want you to stick around for more. Go ahead and definitely hit that subscribe button, as well as that bell notification. That way, anytime I drop a video for you guys, you can be first alerted and notified to check out anything that I have to go ahead and show for you guys. So seriously, thank you guys so much, and let's dive into this review. Let's go. Also, as well, I like to be color coordinated with the product that I'm reviewing as best as I can, like I do in all my future videos. So like I said, the product today is, the brand that we're looking at is Adidas. So I got my Adidas hat right here. I'm gonna put that on, and we're gonna take a look at what these are looking like. Let's get it. Alrighty, and just like that, we got our Adidas hat on. So let's go ahead and check out these NMD S1s in this black and altered blue colorway. But I can't believe I actually really like I can't believe I really entered for these thinking that they were something else, and they actually were a different shit. So let's go ahead and, how do you even open these? Yeah, I do want to say though, shout out to SNS for real, because I want to say at the start of this year, I've been hitting a lot more on their raffles. Like I know for the past, when I started entering, like 2018, I would always enter and I would hit literally squat, but now I've actually been hitting, I think the first pair I hit this year was the Dunks, and I'm very grateful for that. So definitely for sure, shout out to them for that. And they also go ahead and they package up they get a nice little packaging too in the box. Nice little fold out box too. So here we go right here. Here are the Adidas NMD S1s. And from also I looked up as well, there was another colorway that has dropped. I believe it was a white version as well. Today we're looking at the black version. But here we go right here, reading with the size description. It is the NMD S1, and it is 10.5 that I did go ahead and get. The SKU code does read HP5523, originals made in Vietnam right there. I'm gonna go ahead and pan it for you. And here we go. You got an all black box all around. You do have your Adidas branding right there. You got the 3 stripes, and then you do got the Adidas logo right there. Let's go. You know how we do. I like to go ahead and pan it for you guys, give you guys a bigger overview so you can see. 3, 2, 1. Let's actually take these back together and let's go. Here we go right here. You do got your white tissue paper with your yellow Adidas logo branding all over the tissue paper as well. Let's bring it back. Let's see what these are hitting for the blind buy that we bought. 3, 2, and 1. And oh, hold on, there's another layer. We got tricked. And boom, here we go. Right here. Man, these are different. These are different for sure. Not something that I would rock, but I am. Oh, I like the bottom of these though. Look at the outsole. The outsole has all your Adidas logo print. That's actually really cool. So this is the right. And then let's go ahead and take the left pair out right here. And there we go right here. I'm gonna put everything back and then we'll actually get a closer perspective at these together. Let's go. Alrighty, so here we go right here. These are the Adidas NMD S1 in the black and altered blue colorway. What do you guys think about them first glance? Seriously, I'm not even gonna lie, this is an honest review. I'm nothing but honest with you guys, like always. This is okay. It's okay, it's not my cup of tea for sure, but we're gonna go ahead and actually look at these together. Let's go ahead and see which one we wanna review. Do you wanna review the left, the right? Let's go ahead and review, let's do the left just because the tag on the right one kind of like covers everything. So looking at the starting of the left pair of these S1 NMDs, looking at the outsole right here, you have an all black outsole and you do have your Adidas logo right there. I think this is actually this is a pretty cool touch right here. This is a pretty cool design, no exaggeration though. It goes all the way. They made the outsole based off of the Adidas logo. I think that was actually pretty cool, in my opinion. Looking at the midsole, you have a gigantic like rubbery tire midsole that goes all the way around. You can definitely tell these are really more like an athletic type of shoe for sure. As we come up, I do like these. I don't even know what to really call these. They're kind of like, they're kind of like teal plates that kind of go. It's a nice touch to the shoe though. It's definitely creative and definitely interesting. You have 1, you have 2, you have 3, and then the one in the front also has the Adidas branding right there. If the camera would focus right there, you see it? Adidas coming around, it's the same thing. You do have a gigantic all black rubber midsole, and then you do have another one of the green teal plate. Looking at the toe box right here, you have a nice, it's like mesh type of material, like the netting on it is really, really nice on that. And then you come up a little bit more, you do have your different style of laces. Like I said, this is not a shoe that I even really know a whole bunch of, honestly. I just thought it was something interesting that we can go ahead and review together. Then looking at the inside, let me go ahead and actually pull these out. Oh, they come with different laces though. Yo, they come with laces. Look at these teal laces. I feel like these green teal laces would actually go perfect with these little these sides right here though. But that's actually pretty interesting. Let me go ahead and take out the shoe tree right there. Let me show you guys. Oh, there's actually more detail inside of the insole right there. Let me see. Oh, if I can open them up for you. It's kind of hard. But in there it does say, hold on, it says NMD S1, and then you do get your Adidas branding right there in the insole right there. Trying to go ahead and open up to the best that I can for you guys so you can see it. But these are interesting. These are interesting. Not something I definitely would rock for sure. But as far as creativity goes for a shoe, I like it though. Oh, look at the back too. It also does say, it's kind of like a stitch text in there. It says NMD. I think that's pretty cool. Definitely, I would probably go ahead, in my opinion, just because I'm kind of creative with a lot. I'd probably throw the laces in there and then go ahead and swap them out. But comment down below and let me know what you think about this. Also, I forgot to show you guys, there's also some detail in the back right there. If you can see, let me read it for you. It says the brand with the 3 stripes, Adidas. Check it out right there. I think as NMDs, I've owned a pair of NMDs a long time ago. Not the newer ones that have come out. I'm honestly more with just different shoes. But I will say it's different to the point where I do like them. If I was to go with a color, maybe not this one, just because I particularly like more colors that stand out. This colorway doesn't do it for me. I think if I know they came out with a white one, if I'm not mistaken. I've seen. I will go gravitate more towards the white one than these, but they are interesting in my opinion. Like I said, I just wanted to go ahead and get the review out for you guys to show you if this is maybe something that, you know, maybe I may not like it, but you see this and you're like, you know what, this is actually pretty different. I actually might gravitate towards these. So here's the left and here is the right. So comment down below and let me know what you think of the Adidas NMD S1 and the black and alternate blue colorway. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so this is going to be the review over the Adidas NMD S1 and the black and alternate blue colorway. Like I said, comment down below and let me know what you think. I'm gonna go ahead and pan away to an on-feet review, but before I do, I want to give you a closer perspective on these. That way, if you are interested in these and you do want to go ahead and make a decision in purchasing these, you can actually go ahead and see a closer perspective right now. So let's take a look at them. So like I said, not a sneaker that I myself would gravitate for, but for someone that's actually really into this silhouette and this type of stylish shoe, it's different and it's not bad. It's not bad. My favorite part of this entirety of the shoe, in my opinion, has to be the outsole with the track pads. And when you look at the track pads, they made them out of the Adidas logo track pad. I think that was a really cool touch how they did that. I also like the laces that they come with it too, because the laces are kind of like gray and the secondary laces they give you are that teal green. I think it's a nice touch, especially looking at the green side panels, as you can see, that kind of stick out. Definitely different in my opinion. But like I said, comment down below, let me know what you think about them. An on-feet review is coming right now on these, and I would really like to see your guys' thoughts and opinions over these Adidas NMD. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, well that's it. That's gonna be the review over the Adidas NMDs in the S1 black and altered blue. Comment below, let me know what you think about them. Really appreciate you guys stepping out. Really appreciate you guys showing love and support. It really means so much to me. Like seriously, you have no idea. I have a lot of plans that I want to go ahead and do for the channel, and you guys being a part of that and being on board just means so much to me. So thank you guys for the love and support that you always show. I continue to keep on thriving and keep obtaining to hit new goals that we possibly can. Like always, remember, this has been your boy, this has been your kid. Remember, there's only ever gonna be one you, so be the best you. The on-feet's coming up right now, and until next time, I will catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
You did it again. go.